In this video we are going to look at how to make money online with affiliate marketing for beginners. In a few moments I will also show you how you can learn this for free, so keep on watching. First of all, what is affiliate marketing? It is a marketing or promotion of products that do not belong to you. In other words, other people's products. When you sell one of these products, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing can be done as a real profitable business and also full-time, but it takes commitment of your time and also money if you are going to do paid advertising. There is of course an option to do free promotion of your affiliate products. Do a thorough research about affiliate marketing and also do a few free courses to see if this is really for you. I will put links in the description to free courses that you can look at. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme if done ethically. To start, you will need to decide on what platform you are going to do your promotion. There are many such as social media, YouTube, which is a free platform and ideal for many people. You can do blogging on Google or on your own website, or you can do guest blogging, just to mention a few. Note that it does not matter what platform you are going to use. You have to disclose the fact that you are including affiliate links and are going to receive a commission from it. You have to be transparent. It is the law of the Federal Trade Commission. Choose your niche, choose a topic that focuses on a specific category. As an example, the topic of arts and entertainment is an enormous category, but rather try photography, which is more specific. Choose what you are interested in and try to choose an evergreen niche with not much competition, especially if you are only starting out. An evergreen niche is something that is high in command right through the year. When you have your niche, find an affiliate program to join. Some programs pay a monthly commission and others pay a one-time commission. When it is a monthly payment, it is normally a smaller amount as when you get a one-time payment. But it is every month for as long as your prospect have subscribed. For example, Aweaver, which is an email automation program, will pay you a monthly commission for every subscriber you refer. This is called a low-paying, high-volume affiliate program. On the other hand, Affiliate Tube Success Academy will pay you a one-time commission for every candidate you refer. I call this type of program a high-paying, low-volume affiliate program. Then you do get affiliate programs with mass appeal, which will pay a high commission. This is called a high-paying, high-volume affiliate program. An example for this is a credit card. But be aware that there are affiliates with deep pockets and with lots of experience in this type of market. And some also use spammy tactics that you just cannot compete with. You can find these programs by doing a Google search, or you can go to a platform like ClickBank Marketplace, which has tons of affiliate products. The last step is to drive traffic to your affiliate link or offer. Consider these three traffic strategies. Number one is paid traffic. This is where you pay for the traffic going to your site or blog. It has the advantage of that the moment you start paying, you get traffic to your offer, but that is if you know what you are doing. There are some downsides there. Running ads will dig into your profits. Many lose a lot of money before they make some. You need to be very realistic about how long it takes to optimize a paid ad traffic campaign. Secondly, the moment you stop paying, your traffic will stop. Number two, search engine optimization, also known as SEO. This will give you free traffic to your offer. This is the optimizing of pages or videos so that it ranks high in the search engines. Because for as long as you can rank high, you will get constant traffic. You need to know what your customers are searching for and what keywords they are using to search for your product. You have to create content around your topic and also do link building to and from your pages if you are doing blogging. This is the very basic level of SEO. Number three, build an email list. This is gold because it allows you to communicate with your prospects all the time. You always have to offer something valuable for your clients to sign up. You can send free stuff to your clients and also send promotions with your affiliate link after you have built trust with your clients. As promised, in the description of this video is a link to a free course that will teach you how to rank on the first page of Google and YouTube, most of the time within 24 hours. Before you go and grab your course, please like, subscribe and hit the bell so that you will be informed when I post other videos like this. What are you waiting for? Go grab the course.